Hey everybody, still on Hammond here, affectionately known as Sueham Baby, NMLS number 2519087. Why would your loan be denied after it's been pre-approved? It's been with an underwriter. So many of you have been questioning that. Why does that happen? So I am here today to tell you some of the possible reasons, some reasons that I've seen it happen, and from other loan officers I've heard that it has happened. So don't let this be you. That's why we're sharing this information on Tuesdays and Thursdays inside of our group, Buying and Refinancing in South Carolina. All right. So what I want you guys to know is that once you get a pre-approval, not a pre-qual, a pre-approval, I don't want you to change anything, nothing. Hey, Ethel, welcome to the broadcast. Don't change nothing. Only thing you're allowed to do is make more money. Now, make sure that you have a pre-approval, because if you have a pre-qual and you thinking, okay, I'm going into this, I'm going to go ahead and get a realtor, I'm going to go ahead and put my earnest money down, and I'm going to send a contract in, and I'm going to go ahead and send in all my other paperwork, and come to find out you're not pre-approved, that's because you were pre-qual. There's a significant difference. With the pre-qual, the most that people are doing is checking your credit, and they are doing things based upon what you say. They're putting in the amount of money that you say you make. Nothing is verified. Unlike with a pre-approval, it is being verified. That's why, guys, I don't do pre-quals. If you're with me and you're coming to me and you're saying, I'm sorry, guys, I'm looking up to the left and getting my computer up, and you're saying to me, Sue, I need to apply for financing. I'm going to do a pre-approval, and I'm going to require you that you submit me certain docs, your photo ID, your 2 months bank statements, your 2 last pay stubs, your 2 last W-2s. If you're self-employed, then your 2 last tax returns, and any 401k retirement, any disability, any that you may be receiving, whether it be VA, whether it be SSI, any type of income that you have coming in, child support, if it's been for the last 12 months and it's going to continue for the next 2-3 years, I'm going to ask you to submit me all of that, because I want to verify all of that and give you a pre-approval. Now, for some reason, you drop out and it says, hey, the loan is no longer qualified. Here's some things that you may have done, and here's some things that you need to do to prevent your loan from being disqualified. Number one is don't quit your job. Don't quit your job, baby, in the middle of buying a home. Don't do that. I know some people think, oh, I got the pre-approval, I'm good. They won't find out. Listen, verbal verification of employment will be done prior to that loan being closed, just to make sure that you are still working at that job. Do not run your credit cards up. Do not go buy furniture. I know you're excited. You're on your way to being a homeowner. You're excited. You want to go pick out the furniture, so you want to charge it. Don't do that, please, because now you're impacting your debt to income ratio, which affects how much money you can borrow. So you may be disqualified for the loan that you're currently seeking if you run up your credit card debt, if you go buy furniture, if you get any new debt, if you co-sign for somebody. And I know you're probably saying, well, how would they know, Sue? Because some lenders do a soft credit pull just to make sure everything is still in check with your credit. And if something comes up that's negative, it's going to disqualify you on the loan. All right. Let's see. What's another thing? Your credit scores could drop because you did something, or maybe you didn't do anything. You know, this credit score thing, you know, system, we're all trying to figure it out. People are trying to master it. But maybe your credit score could have declined and it no longer qualifies you for the program that you're currently in. That is a reason that it could be denied after it's been pre-approved. Now, perhaps you are not telling us everything we need to know. I wrote some notes. Perhaps you're not telling us everything we need to know, and it comes out in the wash. So be honest. Be honest with that person who's helping you get your loan, your realtor, your mortgage broker. Be honest with me, right? I am your advocate to help you get the financing to buy your loan, and I can't do that if you're being dishonest. Be honest with me, and let's see what scenario we can work out, because a lot of times there may be someone who may be willing to work with your scenario. It may cost you a little more, but hey, they're willing to work with you. And sometimes loans are denied because you don't have the down payment money, right? You said you had the money, but you cannot show proof of funds. Instead, you go get a bunch of cash from somebody and you put it in your account, and we cannot do that, right? We have to be able to source those funds. So you have to show down payment. Money exists, whether it be a gift from somebody, whether it be in your 401k retirement, whether it be in stocks and bonds, savings or checkings. We have to be able to see that. We have to be able to prove your assets. So those are just some of the reasons your loan could be denied. Let's see if we have any questions. Again, guys, we'll be doing a coffee chat, answering questions and giving information on how to buy your home and how to buy investment homes. You know, I'm a real big proponent of investing, and I think that you should become an investor and a homeowner simultaneously at one time. And we've had several videos telling you how to do that, and we'll be bringing on some people to tell you even more about that. All right. Just in case you didn't know, I am Solandia Hammond, and I do home loans. I provide access to the funding for you to purchase your home and or refinance your home and or buy your investment home. I'm also a real estate investor and a playwright. I love what I do. I love serving people. I love helping people achieve their dreams. So I would love it if you help me achieve my dream by sharing this video so that we can get more people into this group. It's growing like crazy, and I thank you guys for sharing it with people. We want to help people get into homes. So please, when you get a chance, share the video, and we'll get going. All right. Connect with me at loanswithsueham.com.